Wala pa?
Wala.
What are you trying to say?
Wala.
Anong wala pa?
Ulit.
Ano?
Babash na naman ako niyan. Ano, babashin mo ako?
Ano ba gusto mo ibahin yung question ko? Never have I fallen in love at first stare down. Hello! So, ito na. Bumabalik na kami.
Sabi ko sa inyo meron agad eh.
Medyo matagal lang na-upload, but then, as promised.
And dahil bumalik kami agad, so, ito naman, yung susunod namin na vlog is, tinatawag namin to na Never Have I Ever. Ayan.
Never
So,
have I ever segment. Most of you guys know na how this game is played. So, it's more of the same sa last vlog namin na who's more likely to. Pero I think this is more intense, I think.
Funny. Char.
Funny or maybe even dirty.
Bruh.
So, ready na ba kayo?
Di pa.
Ready ka na ba?
Di pa.
Ready! So, we'll be asking 10 questions each. So, 10 questions from her, 10 questions from me, and then we'll just pick any random question.
Asan na? Wala.
Read more. So, si Gemma muna, then alternate. Let's go!
First question. Ooh. Never have I ever texted an ex out of nowhere.
You're supposed to answer also.
Sa'yo lang. Ano?
No, you're
Ako
supposed to
rin.
answer also.
Ako din.
I don't remember.
Oo. Oo, yan.
Kailan?
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Wala kaya. Healer. No, I didn't. So, I think sino yung pinakamadami talo. Kung if you have experienced it, talo. So, 0-0. Kasi we both didn't experience it. Okay, next question. Never have I ever gone out with a friend's ex. Never.
Friend?
With a friend's ex.
Friend ng ex. Oh,
Ex ng friend mo.
Ex. Wait.
You did?
Wait lang. Ex ng friend ko?
Oo. For example,
Wait lang,
ako.
huli na ako.
For example, si Ate Jo, friend mo, then you went out with her ex.
Ah. Wala pa. Wait.
Well,
Wala pa.
Wala pa?
Wala
What are you trying to say?
Wala.
Anong wala pa? What are you trying to say?
Wala pa. Wala.
So you're gonna experience it pa?
Parang tanga.
Ano
Wala
nga?
nga.
Bakit pa? Bakit may pa?
Wala pa nga. Wala pa.
Oo, wala pa.
Oo nga.
So mangyayari nga.
Hindi.
O, pa kasi yun pa.
Oh, hindi wala nga. Oh. Di, uy.
Ikaw na. Second question.
Never have
Louder.
I ever said I love you when I didn't mean it.
Weh. Atik ikaw eh.
Kanino? Sige nga, alam mo, sarungan ka ba sa akin?
Maybe you're just saying no lang.
Hindi nga, wala.
Remember?
Wala.
Oh, wala. I always say I love you when I mean it. Hindi kasi I can't imagine saying I love you to a person na wala kang feelings.
Well, minsan pag natatawa, I love you, gano'n.
No.
Friends mo, gano'n. Pag
No.
natatawa kasi ginagawa.
Na second question from me. Never.
Bang point.
First, the questions pa. Never have I ever cheated.
Tanong nga yan eh.
Ano? Yes or did you or did not?
Ang dugo nito eh.
I did. I cheated. Oh. Why are you afraid to admit it?
Okay na. Di ba natanong mo na yun sa isang vlog? Uy,
Wala lang.
ulit.
Ano?
Babash na naman ako niyan. Ano, babashin mo ako? Kapal ka eh. Okay, ito. Ayoko.
Dali! Ask
Ayoko.
It. Ask it na.
Sige. Never, asan yun? Wala, yan. Never have I ever sent a sexy selfie.
I didn't.
Hindi. Nakita ko yun.
Ako?
Mm-mm.
I sent a sexy selfie? I didn't.
Hindi sa akin.
I didn't. I didn't.
Kita ko yun. Ito ka.
What the hell?
What the hell?
What did you?
Ha?
Did you?
Ito ko sa'yo. Susend ako sa'yo.
I didn't send. Two. Ano?
Pakita ko ka na.
Saan? Sa messenger? Sa messenger?
Oo. Meron, wag kang F.
No,
Oo.
I didn't.
Oo.
It wasn't me.
So,
No, it wasn't me who sent us, the other person. Basta yun. Weirdo.
Oh.
Hindi nga. Hindi talaga. I don't send those
Sige.
things.
Mamaya, makikita natin.
Weird. Never have I ever dumped someone over text.
Meron.
I did.
Meron.
Ilan pa isa tayo? 2, 3?
Uy, di, tuto pa lang. Never have I ever, ano na yun? Ever stalked an ex's new partner on social media.
I did.
No.
Ikaw. Oh!
Ang pangit mo, hindi.
We!
Hindi ko sure. Hindi stalk.
Ano yun? Anong tawag yun?
Sinag ko lang yung ano.
Stock yan! Stock yan!
Ang stalk yung ganon-ganon. Ako, chinek ko, tapos na, yun lang.
Stock pa rin yan.
Kasi tinatanong.
Di chon tonight.
O, bakit mo ni-stalk?
Ha?
Bakit ni-stalk mo?
Hindi si, isa pa.
O, bakit yung ni-stalk mo?
Bakit ba?
Bakit ba?
Question number 4.
A few moments later.
Tagal naman. 8 na kasi, uy.
Never have I ever fallen in love at first sight. Oh, really? Really?
Huh?
Ano ba gusto mo? Gusto mo ibahin yung question ko? Never have I fallen in love at first stare down.
Ay, gabi, hindi naman eh. Hindi naman kasi doon nagsimula. Baka ikaw.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Really?
Oh, really?
You know, she really has a big crush on me. Yeah, I just don't know why.
Bruh.
Ow!
Never have I ever ghosted someone's texts. Wala.
Hmm?
Ako sino?
Hindi relationship, ah. Goes to the text. You always do that.
Kanino? Ano?
I did. Ilang pa isa tayo? She did also. Ilang pa isa tayo? 3-3? 4-3.
Oh.
Never have I ever stood someone up on a date.
Wala.
Wala din.
Wait.
Uy, kadin. So, we're halfway there. 5 more questions each to go.
Hindi. Oo, tama.
Tama. Tagal. Ang tagal talaga. As in.
2 hours later.
As in. Ang tagal. As in.
Never have I ever eaten leftover food from another table at a restaurant.
No.
Hindi, syempre.
Ano ba yan? 40 minutes. Go. Never have I ever kissed someone older than me.
Meron.
Older than you.
Ikaw.
Sino?
Older than me.
Oo, sino?
Ako. Not bad.
Ano ba? So, ilang age gap?
Ba't kailangan pa tanongin? Oh God. Private na yun. 50, charot.
Ako mga ano siguro.
20s, nasa 20s yun.
Doesn't
Diba?
count. Ano yung this?
Nasa 20s yung age. Kasi?
What? Huh?
Hindi, I mean 20s, yung ano, 20 pataas. Doon lang, wala.
I think, hindi naman ata counted 1 year older, di ba?
Older nga eh, basta older.
Oh, well, maybe. Yeah. Yeah. With one person lang.
Never have I ever kissed my best friend. Boom.
Kiss my best friend?
Oh, talaga ba? Sino? Sino daw?
Which one?
No.
Guilty. You.
Wala.
Teammate lang.
Paano yun? Agso mo? Agsulta ako?
Bakit? Wala ko na.
Teammate yan.
Censor team! Never have I ever gotten high. Hmm?
Hi! Hi! Sorry. Yung hi? Na? Hindi pa. Hindi ko pa natatry yun, gagi.
Katawa yung name. Ako hindi ba? I'm innocent.
Kasi wala na eh.
Question number 8.
Never have I ever lied to my parents
Guilty!
about where I'm Parehas na. Oh my God, lahat naman yun. Diba?
Ang boring naman ng katanong mo.
Wala lang kita eh.
Ay, no.
Bruh.
Sumo.
Sige. Ask the
Okay.
questions.
Okay.
Question number 8. Never have I ever kissed someone na di mo kilala.
Ha?
Ha? No.
Hindi ko kilala. Kilala ko lahat.
Weh.
Hindi ko kilala.
You said you didn't know someone from a bar.
Ha? Kilala ko yun.
So you know everyone you kissed.
Oo. Kilala ko yun.
Ako hindi. Wala.
Well, char.
Innocent. Ayun.
Really?
So, last 2 questions each. Ano, you wanna make it deep? Deep.
Wala na eh.
No, wag na.
Truth or dare?
Truth or dare? No. Sige. 2 questions na made from ours lang siguro.
Never have I.
Ano? Question number 9.
Never have I ever.
Founder. Ano?
Never have I ever. Ano ba? Ikaw muna ang question. Ikaw naman mauna. Ako nauna lagi.
Nag-alternate na tayo eh. Ikaw na.
Never have I ever. Poop. Public toilet.
I did.
Oo, ako din.
Hell? Ba yan?
Ay, hindi, pero yung ano, may tumag. Yung may tumag ah.
I don't know. I don't remember. I don't know. Weird question though. Question number 9. Never have I ever swim naked.
Hindi, hindi pa.
Di ba?
Hindi pa.
Bakit hindi pa? So, may try?
Tanga, hindi ko pa nagagawa. Hindi pa nagagawa.
I didn't. Never in your wildest dreams.
Bakit pa ako gano'n? Kunyari, may sarili ng bahay, gano'n.
Iba yun. So, last question.
Sige, ito. Kadiri. Never have I ever... Had... Poop.
Ano? Ano?
Never have I ever makatouch ng...
I did. The dog's poop. All
Poop
the
mo.
time.
Poop mo.
Oh, when you wash it.
Hindi, I mean yung ano, hindi syempre normal yun, pero yung ano,
Yeah. Ikaw?
Oh, no, shit.
Yeah!
Pero hindi yung hawa
Hindi naman
ko sa
controversial yun.
Hindi nga. Kadiri lang.
Controversial. I don't know if this is controversial, but never have I ever thought about my ex one time during a new relationship, during a person's relationship.
Hindi.
One time?
Hindi.
Really? Really?
Alam, minsan maalala ko lang siya kung nagbabanggit. Pero hindi ko. Pero... Ikaw?
Pag nakita ko mga picture.
Yung picture? Picture sa social media po. Bikini.
Nah, there's something controversial naman. No one should pick the one, so I don't know. Let's do it again.
So, yan. Natapos na kami. Ayan. So, nakakatawa kasi dalawa agad yung vlog natin nagawa.
More likely the same lang eh.
Yeah. Puro question lang. And
Well, we wanted to ask certain questions, but you know, they're censored. So, we hope you enjoy that one. I think medyo boring siya kasi wala namang interesting in our life. But, we still hope you guys enjoyed. And sana naman di kayo magsawa sa amin until our next vlog. Jessica, you wanna thank your supporters and anything else? What do you wanna say?
thank you so much for syempre, maraming salamat. Ayan. Kasi ito na yung last vlog. Just, hindi. Syempre, matagal, ay hindi ko sure kung magkakasunod pa. May susunod pa na vlog. Pero syempre, tuloy pa rin kayo sa pag-watch ng mga vlogs namin. Dahil, syempre, hindi pa rin naman kami titigil. Sorry, may maingay din sa kabila kasi gumagawa siya ng Lego niya, yung Harry Potter niya. Sobrang, kasi malaki, kaya yan. Sabi ko, hindi siya matutulog pag hindi niya nabubuo.
Di ba tapos?
Hindi pa. Tapos siya sa kalahati. Pero yun nga, balik tayo. So, ayun. Dahil nga, medyo matagal kami, hindi magkikita ni Dina Wongs. Ayan. So, gumawa kami agad na magkakasunod na vlogs. And I hope mag-enjoy kayo. And, syempre yun nga, panoorin nyo pa rin yung mga previous videos namin.
Yeah.
And I know naman na talaga namang mag-enjoy naman talaga kayo. So, syempre mag-isip pa rin kami ng mga videos namin kahit malayo kami. Ano?
Yeah.
Sana hindi kami busy.
Minsan na hindi ka busy.
Okay, stop. Okay. So, ayun na nga. And syempre, dahil natapos kami, yan, thank you so much everyone. And ito pala, dahil onti na lang, mag-100k na kami.
Yeah!
So, ayan.
We're 94k subscribers!
Ayan.
So, 6k na lang.
Yan. I hope tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-watch and tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-like and subscribe nyo sa YouTube.
Don't skip ads!
Ayan. So, sama-sama tayo sa ano namin, no? Sa journey namin dito sa YouTube channel namin. And madami pa kaming pasabog, madami pa.
I hope the next upcoming vlogs, may enjoy kayo pa.
Mag-level up.
Mag-enjoy pa kayo.
And then soon, mag-level up kami. Abangan nyo yan.
Level up. So, we thank you for the support you've given us all throughout, to all the fans out there. Mahal namin kayo. Gigugma ko kayo.
Ay, balakas.
Ano yun? Konnichiwa. Ramanagi.
Saranghe.
So, as you say,
Ayan, oh.
so as you say, after every vlog, don't forget to
Alright.
and subscribe.